In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sitelink extensions in Google Ads. Sitelinks are extra links that appear below your main ad, helping people jump straight to key pages on your site, like pricing, contact, or featured products. They can boost your click-through rate and make your ads more useful, so let's set them up the right way. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and open Campaigns. This makes sure you're working in the right place and can decide where your site links should appear. Next, go to the Assets area. Depending on your layout, you may see assets in the left navigation or as a tab within your campaign view. Either way, open the Assets section so you can manage ad extensions. In the Assets view, look for the plus button to add something new. Click the plus icon, then choose Sitelink from the list. This opens the Sitelink Setup panel. At the top, you'll see the Add to dropdown. Use this to choose the level where you want the site link to apply: account, campaign, or ad group. Account level site links are great if the links are broadly relevant. Campaign level is ideal when links match a campaign's theme. Ad group level gives you the most precision for tightly related keywords and ads. Now create your site link. Start with the link text. This is the clickable headline that appears under your ad. Keep it concise and action-oriented, like pricing, book a demo, or view case studies, so people immediately know what they'll get. Enter the final URL, the exact page on your website you want visitors to land on. Deep link to the most relevant page rather than the home page for a better user experience. Make sure the URL works, uses HTTPS if available, and matches the promise of your link text. You can also add up to 2 description lines. This is optional but highly recommended because it lets you give context, highlight benefits, and increase relevance. Use the first line to state the value clearly and the second to add a detail or qualifier. Think along the lines of compare plans and features, followed by no long-term contracts. When everything looks good, click Save. Your site link will be submitted for review and will begin serving once it's approved. For the best results, plan to create multiple site links so there are enough eligible options to show with your ads. If performance matters to a specific theme, repeat this process at the campaign or ad group level to tailor the experience more closely to user intent.